and we were able to go shopping and celebrate Helen's birthday while we were there. It was fantastic. I mean, it was one of the highlights of my career.
I have two other sisters, played by Lucy Liu and Rachel Ziegler, and what's wonderful about this shoot is to spend time with other women. You know, all of my scenes are with other women, so it's been really, really good fun. We've made we've bonded together and made a little team together.
It's smoky in here.
Yeah. That's a problem.
We shouldn't laugh. I think it's
It reminds me of growing up in bars.
Let's cut on that. So,